Wahadike, the daughter of Amadike.
People say you are fearless and brave, but it's a lie. A lie that you have used to deceive the people of this community. I see you are afraid. All I know is that you are just a defender of Ogonedimba. And all these things should not bother you at all. Anyways, you are just an ordinary medium. You are just an ordinary medium. It is obvious that you are nothing but overrated by the gullible people of this land.
What's the meaning of this nonsense? What did they sup for here?
Sup kill you there.
Tell her.
But that sup kill you there. I can see the fears, the trauma in your eyes. If you can be this scared over a dead chicken, what gives you the balls, the effrontery to think that you can occupy the position originally meant for we men?
Me? Scared of dead chickens? Be like say you dey whine yourself.
Now let me warn you. This will be your last warning. If you dare try to contest against me, the position of the youth leader is mine. And that's my birthright. No man or woman, living or dead, will dare try to take that out of me. Because that is my birthright. And you, well, can't take it out from me. Okay. What's that look? Chalo. If you like, make your face like a lion. Maybe you can go. Your anger cannot even boil a pin. Listen to me. Look at these two dead chicken. Look at them. They represent you and your sister. Let me warn you. Tomorrow, stay away from that competition. If not, I will replace you and your sister with these two chicken. You are nothing but an orphan who bends down to pee. Yes! You want to challenge me? Don't dare it. No!
One who is filled with bravery can never be intimidated with death. If you want to instigate fear in the heart of a warrior, come prepared. The next time I see both of you in my compound, you will not live to tell this story. You'll be dead like these chickens. Get out! Nonsense! Nonsense! Rubbish! These urchins, useless people think they can come to my father's compound and intimidate me. If they say not ask questions, not well, oh. Imagine they came to threaten me with this nonsense, with this rubbish. Jesus Christ, sister. I swear to God, if I catch them in my father's compound again, their body go surplus, blood go flow. And then whine.
Sister, this whole thing is scary. It hasn't gotten to this now.
What is scary here? Nothing that's scary here. This is not toy, no nonsense. Nothing that's scary here.
Sister, you need to be careful. This whole thing is scary. I'm so scared though.
Are you going to fear one like that? I beg go buy these two chicken milk with chop. Let them come inside house.
Yeah, sister. Jesus. Hi, Jesus, sister.
Well, I think she should resign. I mean, that's the honorable thing to do. Right? How can a woman be the youth leader of our great community? It's crazy. See, there are limits to positions a woman should be vying for.
Obiechina, are you being serious right now? You, an advocate of civilization in this present time, saying that a woman's place should be limited to the kitchen? Is that what you are confidently saying to me right now?
Mother, please, I hate it when you try to bring out words out of my mouth.
But that's exactly what you meant. As much as I do not fancy the candidacy of Moha, asking her to step down because she's a woman is quite discriminating. I don't buy that.
Exactly my point.
Meanwhile, the king and the elders, they are having a meeting on this matter as we speak. Let us await their conclusion.
Wahani danyima mbombo, wahani danyima mbombo, onye chiwerezi na mara pungena ya mbombo, onye chiwerezi na mara pungena. Oyoyo, wahani danyima mbombo, wahani danyima mbombo, onye chiwerezi na mara pungena ya mbombo, onye chiwerezi na mara pungena. Oyoyo, my ladies. What can I offer the both of you? I have ukwa, fresh corn, vegetables, palm wine. What do you go chop?
Wow. My incoming. In fact, forget anything food now until tomorrow. The incoming herself. My incoming. How are you preparing for election tomorrow?
My dear, I'm up against the almighty Ebuka. You know, go days you, so I need more support than ever.
You don't need to worry because the women are solidly behind you. Our large number is our advantage. Of course. And you know you have God, which is the highest advantage if you ask me.
Amen.
And victory is sure.
Amen.
And you know we need a female vibrant leader that can speak up for us before the Igbo and council. And I know that is exactly what you want.
My dear, the truth is, I am not intending to become the female youth president for my personal interest. I want to become the female youth president so that I can become the voice of the voiceless, the hope of the hopeless, and also to defend the people and more. That's all.
My king, this matter is not up for deliberation.
It has never happened, nor has it been heard in any community around that a woman is allowed to contest for the position of the leader of the youth. No, we have the woman that age grade. That is where she should go, not...
This matter has been discussed in this same palace. And we agreed that since the youth are made up of young ladies and young men, it is only fair if we allow the women also contest in the leadership position.
No, it has never been done.
Sit down. See, I said sit down. What do you mean by alo? Ichiebe, do I need to remind you that this matter was deliberated the day Awiwe went for traditional rulers meeting at the governor's lodge?
Where?
The governor said that the youth leaders should be allowed to sit with the elders during the elders and council meeting. He also instructed that the women should be given equal rights to lead as well.
We agreed that it will be done by election. Moi was allowed to contest alongside with your son, Ebuka. So whoever wins emerges the leader.
Carlo, what is this same problem?
She has not won.
She's the problem.
She has not won.
She's the problem.
She's only to contest with your son.
Listen to me. Let her not contest at all. Let her not contest.
Those in support of the motion that Nwaha should contest for the position of the youth leader should say aye.
Aye.
Those against should say nay.
No.
The ayes have it. Therefore, Nwaha will contest with Ebuka for the position of the youth leader. Good. Now to the main agenda of today's meeting. Viral Edge Manufacturing Company has written to us requesting for a portion of land for them to establish their company.
Wow.
What are your opinions on this?
Igwe, is the popular Viral Edge company coming to our community from the city?
Of course, yes.
Wow. It's a good one. It's a good news.
So, it's a yes, right?
Yeah, yes.
Good.
Igwe, what do you think? Come on. Come on, come on. Take her. Please, don't allow us to join you. Come on, for here. This is where we play for you. I said, you're wasting my time. Come on,
You will pay what?
Yes.
When you reach palace, now you and Igwe go talk that one.
He doesn't know that one.
Come on!
My friend, come on. Now this story, now they pay me. I will send you from behind now.
Swag is you.
You're delaying my movement. Come on, can you go walk fast? You will pay what?
Don't worry.
For how many months now?
You say they joke for you. But honest with you.
Honest with you.
Oh, okay. What is going on here?
Your Majesty.
For the past 6 market days, this woman here has refused to pay her security levy.
Woman, is that true?
Please, my king. It wasn't intentional. I was unable to pay my dues because of the expenses I made during my late husband's burial. Please, Biko, I promise I will pay. Have mercy on a poor widow, Biko.
Expenses. So, you want the kingdom to wait for you to go and look for money?
No.
And forget about the security strategies needed to safeguard the palace and the entire kingdom indeed. Oh. Obuka.
Majesty.
Send her to the palace cell and make sure she languishes there until she pays up.
Wait!
What is our offense?
Move, come on.
What happened?
My prince, the woman was unable to pay her levy, so the king instructed the task force to lock her up.
That was what levy?
She could not pay her tax. Her security levy.
Okay.
Father.
Guys, I go wound you. Come here.
Wound me now.
Come here.
Wound me.
I go.
You wound me. Wound me.
You need a fear.
Wound me. I said that you wound me.
Come here.
Wound me. No. Stop. It is a trap. It is a trap to get you disqualified from the election. Yes. Look at him. Carry your back when you go.
I said I don't want to talk about it. Are you there for something?
I do not mean to offend you, Father, nor encroach on your royal decrees. Why would you order your guards to lock up a grieving woman? A woman that just lost her husband simply because she couldn't pay the security levy? Father, this attitude is both cruel and unruly.
How dare you use such unprincipled, despicable, and unfounded adjectives on my person? Are you by any means trying to abuse your privileges as a crown prince? What gave you the authority, the audacity, the temerity to challenge my authority?
I am sorry if my words are unkind. But all I'm asking is for you to have pity on that poor widow.
You better be sorry. Now listen, son. This kingdom is not ruled with mere emotions. Rules must be obeyed. That woman must offset her dues to regain her freedom. And that is final.
Thank you, my king. How much is the security levy?
The normal levy is 26,000 naira, but for defaulters, additional 20,000 naira, making it 46,000.
All right. How do I pay? Through cash or transfer?
Cash, transfer, whichever one is okay.
All right. Then give me your details. Let me send the money and the fine. Please, I want her released immediately.
Sorry, my prince. If you make this transfer now, your name will reflect on the credit alert, and that will be a very big problem for us.
Then give me your personal details. See, I'm sending 70,000. 26 and 20 for the fine, everything. And keep the change, okay? I want her released.
70,000?
Yes.
Okay, let me call my account. 304-950-7266.
Bank?
First Bank.
First Bank.
Yes.
All right, done. Please release her immediately.
Thank you, my prince. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You can now turn and face us. Okay. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. And 1.
My king, as you know, today is the day for the youth leadership election. And the election has been conducted. You know, you asked that the Ndichie supervise everything and bring feedback to you. The election was just conducted here in the palace. And these are just the representatives of the youths. I'm glad to tell you, my king, that the election has been done and trusted. And the one here is now the winner.
Mohadike, congratulations.
Thank you, my king.
Well, as the new leader of the youths of this kingdom, your new position will avail you the opportunity of sitting with the elders to discuss the progress and development of this kingdom. All right, so come forward and address your people.
Sons and daughters of this great community, this is my call to serve. As the youth leader of this great kingdom, I will make sure I protect the interest of my people and defend them with the last drop of my blood.
Quiet! With the last drop of your blood?
Yes, my king. This position of mine is very tasky. It comes with a great task to defend the defendless. And if it will cost me my blood, so be it.
I said quiet! You are not the king. You are just a mere youth leader. Why are you talking of defending the land with your blood? Defending it from who exactly?
From the shackles and oppressors of this land.
Are you by any means challenging me?
Are they mad? Me challenge you? Who born me? I'm not fit try am, my king. Igwe!
Having Umoha as the youth leader of our great kingdom is really a huge blessing. Well, she is brave, fearless, very intelligent, more like a man. I believe that our people will benefit so much from her regime.
That girl disrespected your father, you know that's right?
I feel father misunderstood her speech.
I don't think so. That girl is a rude girl, and she was actually rude to your father, the king. Oh, see who we have here. Come on. My pretty daughter-in-law to be. Oh, welcome. Greetings, my queen. Greetings, my darling. Please sit. Thanks. Hi, princess. Hi. How are you? I'm fine. Oh, why did you just say like that? Did I do anything wrong?
I don't like the way Obichina is treating this girl. If he's no longer interested in her, he should let her know.
Happy?
You're right, you know.
Come to think of it,
When are you bringing in your own suitor? I'm leaving you.
Boys, go inside there, pack whatever thing you can lay your hands on. Bring it out, let's go. Go! Pack everything you can lay your hands on, let's move! Go!
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
Here to take everything that I've gotten from you. You are nothing but a betrayer! You betrayed me!
What are you talking about? How did I betray you, Ebuka? How?
You voted against me.
Come on, Ebuka. Is it because of that common election? Even if I had voted for you, it was clear that war is the people's choice. Why? Even the men that projected you ended up voting against you. Why do you want me to stand out? Why?
Now, Waha is the best option in that position, right? And not me, Ebuka. Now, let me tell you something. My image and ambition is far more better than whatever thing you think that we had. You are nothing but a betrayer. You betrayed me. And I'm here to take whatever thing I've got for you.
Please, I beg you.
Leave me alone.
Please don't let this come between the two.
Leave me alone! Boys! Come on, let's move! Let's go! Let's go now! Let's go! Back up! Let's go! Please! Let's go!
What are you doing in this place?
I came visiting, of course.
I can't remember inviting you, man.
Do I now need an invite to come over?
Oh yes, you need one. You can't just wake up one morning and start coming to someone's house without invitation. When are you leaving?
Oh God. Come on, baby. What is this? What is wrong with you? Why are you acting odd? What have I done?
I simply asked a simple question. When are you leaving?
I'm leaving now. If that will make you happy. Excuse me.
Wahani dyanyi ma mbombo. Wahani dyanyi ma mbombo. Oye chimereze na mada puena ya mbombo. Oye chimereze na mada puena. Oyo oyo. Agini. Franco, why are you crying?
Ebuka came to my house with his man and he packed all my belongings because I refused to vote for him.
Eh?
He said I voted against him.
Yeah, you did.
He has gone to his house.
Dima, get your bike. Ebuka don't buy market. Hey.
intentional. I'm sorry.
What do you want to? You won't slap her. She just told you she's sorry. You
Is she
mad?
blind? Can't she see? I'm sorry.
Okay, you won't slap her because you be princess. Don't try her more. You touch my sister, I go beat you for you. You the wine. Carry this back, where they go?
Hello? Obiechina? Where are you? That stupid girl splashed water on me! Moha, I don't know her name, Moha or something. I'm there! She drove away! Alright, I'm waiting. I'm here. I'll be here. Alright, okay.
How dare a lamb enter into the lion's den? Do you want to die?
A lamb that has defeated a self-acclaimed lion on a prey hunting should be feared. For its tooth is stronger than that of the hyena.
Well, get out of my compound, or you live here in pieces.
Not without her property. Franca, go inside, go carry your teeth. Take him and go with her.
Hey, don't you dare!
Where you chain yourself. You feel me? Otherwise your mind go day. This one I go beat you, your mind go day. Wow. If you move from here, I go slap you, the mad.
Wow, you try me. Wow, you try me. Go ask, I mean, be able to cow. Another look person face. Wow.
Pussy. My goodness. Princess, what happened to your royal?
Mother, is it not those stupid?
Bike man. A bike man. One stupid bike man did this to her.
A bike man did this to your royal robe? And you allow him to go scot-free? Ha!
Sorry. Go upstairs and freshen up, okay?
Yes, Ebuka. Get your men. Go into the community and arrest all the bike men you will see. Bring them to the palace. Immediately, idiot!
Father, it has not gotten to this. Why would you invite all the pikemen in this community?
You shut up. Are you to teach me how I rule my kingdom? Now get out of my sight! Get out! Idiot. Yes? Bring them in.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, we have arrested all the bike men in this community. They are all here now with us.
All of them?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good. My queen, go and get the princess. Let her come and identify that rider that poured mud on her royal robe.
Yes, my king.
You can go.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Abuka, wait behind. Why? So, who's going to identify that rider, that stupid rider?
My king, she said that the prince can identify the rider.
Good. Get me the prince.
Oh, I am sorry the prince left a while ago.
Serious as always. Obuka,
Your Majesty.
go and collect the tax of 10,000 from each of them for pouring mud on my daughter, the princess. Okay?
Yes, Your
They
Majesty.
are all accomplices. And if any of them refuses to pay or does not have the money to pay, seize the person's bike. We are going to sell it.
Your
Yes.
Majesty.
Who are you?
I am Ijebube from Mbambili. I was your mother's friend when she was alive. I have come to give you her message. You are too young to join your mother in the land of the dead. The war you are about to engage in with those in authority will not go down well with you.
Is that all? Well, my name is Uwan Hadike. That name was given to me because I belong to everyone. I'm a servant, the youth leader of this great kingdom. The only time I am not allowed to confront those in authority is when they are doing well. I'm not a warmonger. I don't derive pleasure in engaging myself in war. As we speak, nobody in authority has done anything evil to incur my wrath. This land is at peace.
This is a prophecy that has been revealed to you. Be careful. Those in authority are taking decisions against you. Please do not engage in any argument with them. Please, I beg you again, do not engage in any argument with them. Because this black cloth will be used by your loved ones to mourn you. I have delivered my message to you.
And I reject your message. I reject your evil message. None of my loved ones will wear a black cloth. Thank you for your message. Good night.
Please leave.
Ogini, why are you looking at me like that?
Sister, are you going to discard that prophecy like it meant nothing to you?
Listen, only cowards allow their lives to be controlled by prophecy. I am not going to cage myself inside the house because of some stupid prophecy. It will never happen.
You called it stupid prophecy. Sister, that was not just a stupid prophecy. You heard her clearly. She introduced herself as Mom's late best friend. What are you talking about? Sister, I believe so much in that prophecy. Do you know why? Because you just emerged as the youth leader and you and I know what you are capable of doing.
You are most likely to challenge the rules and regulations of this land. Sister Biko, you need to be extremely careful. I don't want anything to happen to you. Chidima, it's all beginning to make sense to me now. You know why? That woman was paid to instill fear into me, so I won't be able to carry out my duties as the youth leader of this kingdom. But she has failed, because I will defend the interest of my people to the last drop of my blood. I'm not well now, you know, I don't go agree. Everybody go hear word for this kingdom. It don't be you. Sister, you don't have to be stubborn over this thing. This thing is a prophecy and I'm sure it will happen. Sister, oh, sister, it's only you I have. Oh. Sister!
My shoe. Give me my shoe. Stop. Give me my shoe. Stop. Give me my shoe. Stop. Stop. Stop it. Stop. Give me my shoe. And what is the meaning of this nonsense?
Fighting in a royal space? You have the effrontery to fight in this royal home this early morning. Why?
I'm sorry, my queen. Mabel here is always intruding into my private stuff. And then when she uses them, she damages them. My queen, the last time I used that stuff, she warned me never to touch her thing without telling her. And now, she went to take my brand new slippers without informing me. And instead of her apologizing, she's dragging it with me.
Can you listen to yourselves? Can you listen to the nonsense you're spewing from those holes on your faces? You had the audacity, the guts to fight in a royal home? Both of you will not go unpunished. From now henceforth, you are going to be responsible for cleaning the whole compound. You will do the dishes, you will do the laundry, and you will do all the chores in this palace. And that includes the washing of the royal cars.
My queen.
Listen, and attentively too. If I find out that anyone tries to help you in doing any of these chores, trust me, I will extend the duration of the punishment. Good riddance to bad nonsense.
My queen, we are sorry.
Please, we are sorry.
Please, my queen.
You see what you've caused? Who caused this? You have started it. Why did you wear my shoe? Come on, get out. Have you not been wearing mine?
You see, the people of that community, they don't even buy fish from the market. They will just put hand in the river and collect fish.
Greetings, my elders.
Nana, welcome.
Thank you.
Like I say.
Oh no. Can you imagine? Just look at the time she's coming to a cabinet meeting. On her very first day in the office as a cabinet member representing the youth. She can't even come on time. Look, I have said this times without number. The office of the youth leader is not for a woman, not for a lazy one like this.
How did they walk you? Bomb dey your head. You see this opata where you yarn now, or God no try am again. The kind yam band when I get, you no get them. The kind of livestock that I have in your next generation, you no fit get them. I'm not a lazy woman. I'm a farmer and I'm very hardworking. A businesswoman at that. Talking about coming late, I did not even come late because the meeting has not even started. So what do you do? You don't whine.
You are trying to insult me, your elder, in Igwe's palace.
Are you the insult yourself?
Enough of all this, please. Igwe is not yet here. It will be very embarrassing for him to walk in here and meet us displaying this childish attitudes. Can you imagine?
Or how it is, something must enter.
Come down there. Come, where your tickets? Bring your tickets.
Baba, na, it's too early now. Now this early morning, I want to collect.
Which kind you talk
mad?
Baba,
now you want to tell us what you will do?
See, where your tickets now? What did they worry you now? I mean, if you don't want to pay, make you carry. Alright, come down, come down, come down.
I just they come out now. Make una allow me work. Make I.
As you they come out, you don't know say you go pay for ticket. Come out.
Baba, no, they talk.
Shut up.
What
did they worry you?
I go. Come on, leave that bike.
Chama, leave me. Make I take care of her.
Leave that bike.
Give me my bike, oh guy. Give me my bike.
Wait. Where your tickets now?
Now this early morning, person want.
Hey, shut up.
Business you do.
Make I tell you something, eh? Now you want to tell us why we wanted to do our work. Even though I said your house is going on here.
Baba, leave my bike.
Come.
Wait till they talk.
I said what is going on here? Come on, leave me also. The Chris. Are you okay? My prince, this girl here don't want to pay for her ticket.
Greetings, my prince, that's a lie. I only begged them to allow me work since I'm just coming out from the house, but they refused.
This one, a long English, just a speak. My prince, she has refused to pay for ticket. We asked her to bring out her ticket. She refused, so we have to seize this bike.
Yes.
It's okay, alright? Hand the bike over to her. Are you deaf?
Hand the bike over to her! With all due respect, my prince, the Igwe asked us to collect tickets from all the bike riders.
Yes.
So we are doing our work.
We are doing our work.
If she cannot provide it, then we will seize the bike.
How dare you shout when explaining things to me? I'm the prince of this land. How dare you challenge me?
My prince, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But we...
I will not say this again. Hand the bike over to her. Now!
My prince, it's very hard. It's very hard.
Guys. Remember, he's the prince of the land. Let's just...
How will that job now if you don't
Just leave the bike for her.
Just get out.
Leave my presence!
Prince, you're supposed to follow law. Now law, you just defy the law. This is illegal.
Thank you so much, my friends. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
It's alright. Your name is Chidima.
Yes, Dima.
Dima. Alright, go home and meet with your sister. I'm rushing to the palace now for an emergency meeting. I'll see you later.
My sister is already at the palace.
Oh, yes, I remember. Do you have my number?
No, sir.
A minute.
Oh, Papa. Nonsense.
This is my card.
Igwe.
I can see that the new youth leader has resumed to represent our fellow youths. You're welcome. By the way, where is the prince?
I'm here, father. Sorry I came late. My head has whispered on me.
No. You are all aware that the government has increased our tax from 5% to 10%. So it only makes sense for us to increase ours from 10% to 25%. Is this a protest or an objection? Listen, if you have anything to say, you better say it now or forever remain silent.
Thank you, my king. My king, I think we should plead with the government to at least reduce our own tax to 5%. In that case, it will make ours to remain 10%. We all know how difficult things are right now. Sorry, my king. 25% is okay.
Good. Of course, you are all aware that, things are very difficult these days. the cost of things have gone haywire. Therefore, we cannot source enough money to fund the kingdom's budget if we continue to take 10%. So, 25% is final.
So it's okay, my king. Your word is law.
My king, as a youth leader representing the youth, on behalf of my people, I am demanding that the royal family give us the transparent account of the taxes generated in this kingdom before talking about paying tax or even increasing it.
Oh, wow. How dare you demand for such? The king accounts to no one.
Now their problem go there. Because the reason our forefathers introduced paying of tax into the system is to be able to generate money that can be used to help the less privileged in this community, improve health sectors, and improve our educational sector, which includes skill acquisitions. It shouldn't be a problem.
This meeting is over.
Why? Why the meeting go there over when we've not even concluded on the matter in the first place? What did they stop now?
She's challenging me. Listen very carefully. This new tax must be paid by every living thing doing business in this land. Be it burial ceremony, chieftaincy ceremony, housewarming, etc. etc. And you must be very, very brutal in accomplishing this task, else they will challenge it. Is that understood?
Yes,
my now go.
Father, why are you being brutal to your people? I mean, these are same people that elected you as their king. Why are you hell-bent on frustrating them?
These same people who call my people frustrated me. They made me pay through my nose before giving me the crown. This is 21 years. 21 years of being on this throne. And I'm still paying my debts. The money I borrowed to acquire this crown. And you expect me to leave them to go scot-free? Never. They will continue to pay. They will continue to pay until I get back every single dime that I spent in acquiring this throne.
I really do not understand this. How could you bear such grievances over your people? Father, I must be very frank with you. This is unfair.
Did you say unfair? The only thing that is unfair here is that I have a son who is supposed to support me. Rather, he opposes every single decree that I make.
But Father,
I don't want to hear anything. Enough! I want to be alone.
Somebody need to challenge the authority.
What did they all call for here?
What's the meaning of this nonsense now?
You know, I suppose reply this your question, but no Dwam. You know why? Your brain is damaged. You not get sense. You all are fools. Una mama no train una well. Take this casket back. Let the owners bury their dead in peace or face my wrath. You know the mads.
You can do nothing. Come, is it because they named you the leader of the youth? You think you can stop the order of the king? Huh? Are you mad?
You know, the king can allow his subjects to suffer in the face of their sorrows. But you see me, as the youth leader, I no go gree. Every evil in this land must be stopped. This casket, una go return am, otherwise
nothing go happen.